How to fix NVIDIA graphics card not showing up in the device manager. First, you want to right click on the start menu or the start button and then click on device manager. Now in this window, if you try to expand display adapters and you don't see your NVIDIA GPU under here, so the first thing you can do is click on actions and then click on scan for hardware changes, and then just wait for it. Now, if it still does not show up in here, what you can do is go to the view section and then click on show hidden devices. And now try to click or scan for hardware changes again. Now, if you still don't see your NVIDIA GPU right here, here's what you can do. So first you can minimize this window and then you want to open your Chrome browser. And if you know your exact GPU version, you can try to look it up and download the driver. Otherwise, you can install the NVIDIA app. So you want to search for NVIDIA app and then click on the first link. Now you want to click on download now for the NVIDIA app. And once you install NVIDIA app, you should simply open it up. Once you open the app, you want to go to drivers section. And then if you're using it for gaming, make sure game ready driver is selected. Now, if you're not gaming for the PC with the PC and you're maybe doing something else, like creating experiences, you can use this studio driver instead. But most likely, all the users will need game ready driver. So you want to click on download next to the game ready driver to download the latest update, and just wait for it to download the update. And then you want to click on install to install the update. Now, once you finish installing the update, it will probably prompt you to reboot your computer. But if you're not prompted, you should do it. You should reboot your computer. Now, if you come back to the device manager and click on this button right here to scan for hardware changes, you should be able to see your NVIDIA GPU show up under the display adapters right here. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.